Oh, wait. Alright, well, at least you get some entertainment.
Nothing can stop us now.
Attention, runaway railway riders. We are currently experiencing technical difficulties. Please remain seated in your train car until a cast member arrives to assist you. Thank you.
Yeah, we're gonna get one. So at least we get some entertainment. Now you got the fireworks there.
Yeah, I heard it. I'm gonna read the video also.